Hey, welcome back to my channel, Larry Dennis TV. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, give a like with this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload new videos. So today's video topic is how to use LinkedIn for network marketers in 2024. Now, if you're a network marketer and you've been in the industry for a while and you kind of notice there's been a big shift in our industry in the last 2 years, and a lot of things are changing, right? So there's been new discoveries that old school methods work, but they hold a certain type of weight for a certain period of time. You have to integrate online with offline. You have to marry the two. And it's very important because you can tell me, what, Larry? I've been in this industry for X amount of years and I've always done it offline and I built a great business. Great. The question I need to ask you is this: is it duplicatable? See, me, when I was building it offline, yeah, there was things that I was told to do that I didn't like to do, but I done it anyway because that was what we had to do to get a result. But even though I didn't like it, I still did it. Now, how many people that we sign up are gonna be like that? Most people don't wanna do what we're telling them to do. So they're trying to find other ways to do this business. And if you start to research online, you're gonna see that there's other ways that are very attractive to making this business more fun. As you reach a point where I'm doing something that I don't wanna do or I don't like it, people are not gonna do anything. And then become dormant and then they don't do nothing and they quit. And that's why we have a high success rate of people failing, is because they weren't informed and they didn't believe in themselves. The belief wasn't there enough. So let me show you now how you can use LinkedIn. So in previous videos that I made, I've talked about using social media in general. YouTube, Pinterest is another great one, Facebook, but LinkedIn is a very, very, very overlooked and underappreciated platform. See, the thing with LinkedIn that makes it different from the rest is that LinkedIn is its own party of its own. Let me explain to you why. They call it the blue ocean. So on LinkedIn, you have a certain caliber of people that are there specifically looking for opportunities. They're looking to network. They're looking for opportunities. They have income of 60,000, 70,000 a year, 100,000 plus. These are people. These are your executives, your CEOs, high-paying employees, etc. So you have a different audience there. You're not on Facebook posting pictures about your cat and trying to get, humor conversations about, the latest TikToks and stuff like that. It's a different audience. It's actually mature people, professional people, and they're looking to get something answered. They're looking to get something done. They're looking for some type of opportunity, right? They have a high-paying job that they hate. They're working for corporate. They're looking for an out. These are the people that are on LinkedIn. So it's very important to understand, once you go on that platform, how to position yourself. So I'm gonna teach you how to position yourself on LinkedIn. Stay with me now. You go on LinkedIn, you make sure your profile is set up. So there's some tricks that you need to know when it comes to having a nicely polished profile, in terms of your profile picture being a picture of just you. If you're a company, individual, if you have a logo and you're trying to grow a business and you're like a corporation or whatever, it's okay to put your company logo. But if you're just like an individual entrepreneur, it's very important you have a great headshot. I think the rule of thumb is 60%, being that it's be mostly like from your chest up, and you can get a good sense of your face. And a trick is also the background should complement what you're wearing. So for example, if you're wearing dark clothes, don't go putting a dark background, right? Have something very transparent and light, so your features can stick out more. That's just what it is. Secondly, the thing is, when you're on LinkedIn, is having your header, your banner, saying exactly what you wanted to say, and it's gonna speak enough for your people to know exactly what you do without you even saying it. Third of all is going to be your approach. So on LinkedIn's connections, you're making connections versus followers. So how you speak to people on LinkedIn is different than how would you speak to them on Instagram or Facebook. Your bio, your description, who you are, what about you. It has to be very, very intentional. What is in it for the reader? Because LinkedIn's a platform is where people care about themselves. They're looking for something for themselves. They're looking for out for themselves. So they want to know what's in it for me. Once you can identify that, example, my bio would be something like attention network marketers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers. My name is Larry Dennis. I help entrepreneurs grow their business and brand online using XYZ type of technology to do XYZ for their business. I tell them a backstory about me, where I came from and where I'm at today, and how I help people moving forward. Simple, detailed, to the point. There's not a lot of me stuff. A little bit me, but it's mostly of what I can do for you, how I can help you, and why I'm here, and why you should connect with me. So that's how the connections work. Then you have first connection, second connection, third connections. These different things have different meanings for the connection part of, like, if you know someone directly and then through their network of friends, you can add up to three generations, let's say, 3 different levels of connections are the people that you can have in your network that you can talk to and add as a friend. Or connect with them, sorry, not add a friend, because you don't add friends, we connect. So you can connect to up to 3 levels. So if you know me, that's 1 level. My friend, you know me through my friend, that's a 2nd level. Through their friend, that's a 3rd level. You understand? That's how the connections work. Once you have that and you start to build your audience and you hit 500 connections, you kind of open up the floodgates through the platform to be accessed, to be more visible. Then there's a lot of good features on LinkedIn as well that's been overlooked. They have articles, you can write articles. You have what we call top voice. There's different areas of top voice that you can qualify for. I've qualified for entrepreneurship and leadership so far. What else is there? You can go live, which is very good. And see, when you go live on LinkedIn, it's not like going live on TikTok. You're not going live to sell. You're on that platform to give value. Your job is to give value. So all your information, all your resources, all your knowledge of expertise of whatever it is that you are owning, that you are known for or want to be known for, that's what you're gonna give your value about on the LinkedIn platform. So then you ask yourself, okay, Larry, so this sounds great, like I have to do all of this type of work. How does that benefit me and how does that help me grow my business? Well, it's very simple. By you separating yourself from your competitors or your competition, separating yourself from the masses and taking a different route, you are basically positioning yourself as an authority in your specific niche. So by doing that, you will have more quality people coming into your business that you can, in the long term, do business with. So there's lots of tremendous benefits. If you'd like to know more about LinkedIn stuff, I have access to some great information, some great training on LinkedIn, but that's only exclusive for the people that work with me directly. If you're looking for opportunities to generate leads, create funnels, systems, stuff like that, I have a resource for you. Through that resource, you can actually come to me and then we can work something out together where you can get access to the resources that I have. So in the meantime, like this video, guys, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let me know in the comments below, are you on LinkedIn? Have you used LinkedIn? If you are, I can send my link below that you can connect with me there, and I can help you go through the process of how to set yourself up. And also, if you find value in this video, please share, and let's have a conversation in the comments below. I appreciate you for your time. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.